Amazon has been making some major changes over the last 6 months with terms of service and different rules for sellers. So the question is that still a good time to start selling on Amazon? I'm Brandon Young, and my wife and I will do over $30 million selling on Amazon this year with just our own brands. I also teach thousands of people how to sell on Amazon, including over 1,000 members in our private mastermind, The Inner Circle. The reality is, there's never been a better time. What have they done? Well, they've closed a lot of loopholes and a lot of ways people were cheating to manipulate rank. They've shut down a lot of cheaters. So why is that good for us? Well, because we have solid fundamentals. We know how to find the keywords that are driving sales and rank for them. We know how to run very efficient pay-per-click advertising campaigns that are based in data. So when Amazon shut those loopholes by banning search find by banning the use of different URLs, by banning different rank manipulation methods, and it hurt a lot of people out there that were using those hacks to rank and to sell. It's actually a really good thing for those of us that know how to look at the data and make decisions based on the data, that know how to run efficient pay-per-click advertising campaigns, again, looking at the data. That's what we're all about. That's why we created Data Dive. That's the method that we've always been teaching in the Inner Circle and Seller Systems. Yeah, when those things were allowed, we taught how to do search find by and how to do some of those things, but it was always with the foundation of data that we would do it. So now that those other guys don't know how to find the data and aren't doing it efficiently, we have a huge advantage. Amazon just got easier for those of us that know how to do it. So I highly recommend you check out my free masterclass so that you can see what we're talking about. I show you how to find a product based on how the current sellers are getting their sales, what keywords are driving sales for that product, and whether the good sellers are doing a good job. I will show you how to validate the product before you even purchase it. And then I'll show you and explain to you how we're going to launch and rank that product without using any of those hacks. So while others are scrambling, maybe looking for other opportunities to sell you like crypto or NFTs or some other next get-rich-quick thing, we're going to keep showing you how to create real brands that you can generate life-changing value from to grow them on Amazon and sell them for millions of dollars a year, 2 years, 3 years down the road. This is a long play. This is a real business, and I want to show you how to do it. Make sure you watch the free class and ask any questions that you have.